Hey y'all, it's Frank. We get the gold on board. Let's do some grinding. I got some gold ore. Let's grind it up and see if we got any gold. That'll keep me occupied. Let's go. Let's check for magnetite. A little bit. Magnetite. I'm just gonna pan it today. Keep it simple. Why not? Take a couple samples of this. I put some hot water in there. I'm just shaking it down to the bottom. Let's take it outside and take a look at it. All right. What I see up there, I see something. It could be pyrite. Probably some gold in there. That might be pyrite, might be gold. We only did like 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna go downstairs and dry this out and take a look at it and see if we're on the gold or just on the pyrite. So I'm going to run with the blue bolt with the silicone mat. We're going to give that another try because it's really good at finding that real tiny gold and capturing it. But first, we need to classify the crushed rock that we have right now. Run it all the same size. Do it. This won't take long since there isn't much. You like these? Chinese food containers. Don't throw them out, man. You can always use them. I like them. Oh, we need to catch. Let's use this. Let's go. There's not much. Any nuggets? No. Looking for nuggies. I would love to find a piece of gold that size sometime. That'd be awesome. We're really running with 2 sizes. This size, that's the main size. Let's get the blue bolt started up. Make sure you're balanced. Leveled, excuse me. I always say balanced. Level. Good enough. We'll go ahead and wet the material. there. Then we can adjust our speed. By using the silicone mat, you can increase your speeds. Because it seems to get caught in the silicone. Gold is water repellent, and silicone is water repellent. So you have two water repellent items, and they'll attract each other, kind of. Increase the speed a little bit. I mean, I've run with it almost to the very top. You still got gold using the silicone mat. If you're in that way with the blue bowl without the mat in there, you're gonna lose all your gold. It'll get sucked right down the middle. I think we can do a clean out. So we're talking very little material, but that's what we expected also. Right there in the corner, it's a really fine powder. It's almost so small you can't see it, but it's right up in here. We may have to take a look at it, magnified. But it seems almost finer than flour gold. It seems like microscopic, but I bet it's gold. Let's try it out and take a look. So I'm panning out the other size. Remember we had two sizes, and I can see stuff poking out up there. You'll see that? Let's go down a little bit here. Yeah, it's not good. Let's go back a little bit. So you can see that glistening stuff. Now, I don't know if that's gold or pyrite, but we're certainly going to go check it out.